Defense Acquisition Council approves 15 C-295 maritime surveillance aircraft for Navy and Coastguard, valued at 29,000 crore rupees. Deal includes maritime patrol aircraft and maritime surveillance aircraft configurations, bolstering maritime capabilities. 4 aircraft to be built in Spain, 11 in India by Tata Airbus. Acquisition promotes self-reliance, enhances surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, and search and rescue operations. Germany offers diverse military assets to India, including a A400M transport aircraft, a A330 MRTT mid-air refueling aircraft, torpedoes, and spare parts for small arms, enhancing India's defense capabilities. The offer underscores bilateral defense cooperation and supports India's modernization efforts amid evolving security challenges. The Indian Air Force is set to undergo a technological transformation with the completion of its Advanced Air Force Network, AFNet, by 2024. This satellite-based digital grid will revolutionize communication and situational awareness. Tata Advanced Systems Limited unveils 2 groundbreaking armored vehicles: the Light Armored Multipurpose Vehicle, LAMV, and the Protected Mobility Vehicle, PMV. The LAMV prioritizes versatility and agility, while the PMV excels in troop transport and mission adaptability. Both vehicles feature advanced protection and cutting-edge features to ensure effectiveness in diverse operational environments. Saab, a Swedish defense firm, inaugurated its new Carl-Gustaf facility in Jhajjar, Haryana, India. Attended by officials, including Sweden's ambassador to India, the event underscores Saab's commitment to India's defense, utilizing cutting-edge tech for Carl-Gustaf M4 production and potential exports. Philippine Aerospace Development Corp., PADC, and HAL are discussing customizing the LCA-Tejas Mk1A for the Philippine Air Force's maritime defense needs. This adaptation includes adding the NASMMR and BrahMos NG ALCM for enhanced maritime strike capabilities. The Ministry of Defense has signed an MOU with BEML, BEL, and MIDHANI to develop an advanced fueling and control system for engines. The initiative aims to enhance efficiency and reliability while promoting self-reliance in combat vehicle technologies under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative.